Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anka and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today is another studio vlog. Today is Tuesday. I just got back home from work. I wanted to film the intro for this studio vlog. I usually film everything in the weekend, but I had a few spare moments today and I thought I would start this studio vlog. I am currently in the middle of Peachtober, which is the Furry Little Peaches version of Inktober, and I'm planning to paint a new painting today. I wanted to show you guys the last two paintings I did. The one on top is Pie and the one below is Shadow, and today's prompt is Rain. So I will be doing that now. I also got a new chair because I have terrible back pain and my boyfriend was very insistent that I get a new chair, so he bought one for me and it's great and it feels much better on my back because I do spend a lot of time at the office and home at my desk. So I'm not sure what the studio vlog will be. I do have a couple of things on my list this week, one of which is start packing up Patreon rewards. If you don't know, Patreon is a platform where you can support me by donating however much amount of money you want per month. I give out monthly benefits such as desktop wallpapers, monthly art mail, and original pet portraits. So if you want, you can check the link out. I will leave it somewhere on the screen and in the description box as well. But I wanted to show you what Patrons will be getting this month. It's pretty much my last shop update. So some of the Patreons will be getting this holographic sticker with the dream house, which I think is really cool and it looks way better in real life than on camera. They will be also getting this autumn feels sticker sheet. I really love this one. It's still autumn, so I thought it was appropriate for the month of October. And also, I'm not sure if I will include this in this month's reward, but I did do this cute otter pin, which is an illustration I did for the monthly desktop wallpaper as well. So all of these will be going out to patrons, to older patrons. If you're a new patron, you will be getting something different. And if you're interested in these products, they are available in my shop as well. So yeah, that's one of the things I need to do this week. I also am planning a few videos for the future, so I will be getting an Arteza oil marker set, which I'm pretty excited about. They look similar to Posca Markers, so expect a review on that soon. And I also will be receiving a bunch of clay tools. So if you know, or if you've watched videos on my channel, I do a lot of DIY clay stuff like clay pins or clay planters. And for example, this is one of the things I did in an older video, and they are all air dried clay. I don't have a kiln or anything like that, and they're just experiments for my own personal pleasure, I guess. And I will be getting some tools which I will be trying out in a video, so hopefully this will arrive soon. Yeah, I wanted to thank you guys for the support in my shop and on Patreon. I know it's a pretty hard time. Most of Europe is now entering the second wave of COVID-19, and yeah, here restrictions are getting tougher and tougher, and unfortunately we're going through this again. And I just want to tell you guys to stay safe and have patience. I know it's hard. I'm still working as usual, so nothing much has changed. We have bigger restrictions in our office. We need to wear a mask on the street anywhere we go, but I guess that's not such a big deal. So yeah, please stay safe. And I also wanted to talk a bit about feeling, just a second, my cat feels the need to go to the window right now. Anyways, I wanted to talk a bit about feeling discouraged as an illustrator and as a small business right now. I did open my shop last month and I felt a huge amount of support and love for what I have been doing, and I feel that has stopped in the month of October, and I know that's normal when opening a new business. the first year is the hardest, and yeah, I just I'm feeling a bit discouraged right now because there haven't been too many sales this month, and I also lost a couple of patrons, and also I haven't had too many commissions or anything like that. So I don't want for this to feel like I'm whining or anything, but I did want to tell you guys that it's okay to be discouraged, especially in this year. It's okay to have periods when your business is not doing so great, or things are not as great as last month, and it's important to work through them. So I'm happy I'm doing Pitchtober this month. It keeps me busy, it makes me do new art which I can then turn into products, so I'm really happy I decided to do it. Let me know in the comment section if you've had periods like this. How did you get past them? What have been your coping mechanisms? And yeah, I want to start a discussion on this topic because I feel that everybody on social media is so happy all the time. They look like they're doing great, they are financially stable and everything, and the truth is most of the times it's not what you see on social media at all. It's a real struggle to get a small business going, and I feel like many people can empathize with that. So I do want to hear your thoughts in the comments about that. So yeah, that's it for my rant. I will leave you with the studio vlog with whatever footage I managed to film this week. You will probably see me paint and pack up Patreon rewards and stuff like that. And my cat, you've already seen her. She likes to be the center of attention. So thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I've got a pot of gold hidden out beneath the snow on a hill above a lake. There's a place I sit and wait and think of the things I should say when I'm with you. When I looked, I realized that the dog was still alive. So we took it to the vet, and they opened up her side. And when they took the tumor out, it was flowering. between my fingers like dried up glue. And I can't believe the times you can die but still survive. On a screen and on a line, you'll be flowering.